Hey everyone, today we're diving into an in-depth review of the Tribit StormBox Pro, a speaker that promises big sound, portability, and durability. After using it extensively, I'm here to break down what works, what doesn't, and how it stacks up against the others in its class. Welcome to Compare Craze. The StormBox Pro has a sleek, rugged, and compact look that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's wrapped in a soft-touch material that feels premium, and it has a solid build that screams durability. At 3.3 pounds, it's a bit heavier than your typical portable speaker, but that's because it's packing some serious power. The most impressive part about the design is its IP67 rating. That means it's fully dust and waterproof, making it the ideal companion for outdoor adventures, whether you're by the pool, on a hike, or at the beach. This thing is seriously rugged, as it can withstand being submerged in water up to a meter deep for up to 30 minutes. I tested the waterproof capabilities by throwing it in the pool, and I was seriously impressed. The sound didn't crackle, and the speaker kept pumping out tunes as if nothing happened. And it floats! Now, onto the sound. The StormBox Pro delivers a rich and robust audio experience. The bass is deep and punchy without overwhelming the rest of the sound profile. Indoors, it's fantastic. It's loud enough to fill a decent-sized living room, with clarity and no noticeable distortion, even when cranked up to higher volumes. Outdoors is where the StormBox Pro really shines. Its 90-degree sound dispersion, thanks to the 360-degree drivers, ensures that no matter where you are around the speaker, you're getting that immersive full-range audio. I used it on a patio, at the park, at the beach, and the sound holds its own in open spaces, which is a rarity in portable speakers. One of the standout features is the battery life. The StormBox Pro boasts up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge, which is fantastic for long days out. I've tested this and found the battery life to be pretty accurate. It lasted 3 days with my family and at the beach over a 3-day weekend trip with moderate use. For charging, the USB-C port is fast and convenient, but while it lasts up to 24 hours, it also takes an astonishing 7 hours to really fully recharge. The simple solution would be to let it charge overnight, but this is a drawback for people that want to use this on the go. Of course, no product is perfect. While the sound quality is fantastic, the StormBox Pro isn't the most portable speaker out there. It's on the bulkier side, especially when you compare it to speakers like the JBL Flip 5 or the UE Boom, which are smaller and more travel-friendly. If you're looking for something ultra-portable that you can slip into a bag, this might not be your first choice. The recharge time again will be the drawback, but the trade-off is the extreme battery life, which won't see you recharging frequently. Another minor downside is the lack of multi-speaker pairing. While you can pair multiple StormBox speakers together, it's not as seamless or advanced as some competitors. The speaker does a great job when you're using it solo, but if you're planning to connect it to other speakers regularly, this could be a slight inconvenience. So, what sets the StormBox Pro apart from other speakers in the same price range? A few things. First, the combination of sound quality, durability, and battery life at this price point is impressive. The deep bass, long-lasting battery, and rugged design make it stand out among mid-range Bluetooth speakers. It competes with the likes of JBL's Charge 5, Ultimate Ear's Boom, and even the Sonos Roam. Where the StormBox Pro really excels is in its bass response. The bass isn't just deep, it's well-controlled, unlike some competitors where it tends to distort at higher volumes. For those who prioritize audio quality, especially bass-heavy genres like hip-hop or EDM, this is a major plus. Some other features worth noting are the integrated microphone for hands-free calling and the built-in app controls that give you a little more customization over your audio experience. Whether you want to tweak the sound to your liking or just volume from a distance, the Tribit app is easy to use and adds convenience. The speaker also has a USB-C input on the rear that you can use to charge secondary devices utilizing the incredible battery the speaker houses. All in all, the Tribit StormBox Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking for powerful sound, solid build quality, and great battery life, especially if you spend a lot of time outdoors. It's not perfect, but it's certainly one of the best in its class for the price. If you're a fan of bass-heavy music and need a speaker that can take on both indoor and outdoor settings, this is definitely worth considering. As always, your support means the world, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you considering the StormBox Pro? Share your experiences and recommendations. And if you enjoyed this detailed review and want more to help you stay informed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for future deep dives, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, thanks for tuning in to Compare Craze.
Turn it up, 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 up.